In this lesson, we'll learn how to use the rotate command. On the left-hand side, we have the completed detail. And in this detail, we see the break line going across the top of our object. On the right-hand side, we can see a break line, but it's going 90 degrees in the other direction from where it needs to be. To rotate this object around, we have several different methods that we could use. Start off by clicking on the break line. Then, up on the ribbon, select on the rotate command. The first thing that we could do is type 90 here where it says angle on the options bar. 90, enter, and we can see it rotate around. The second thing that we could have done was manually rotate this. So with the object still highlighted, click on Rotate, move this line straight down, click once, move in a direction that you want your object to rotate. Now you can either click again to finish the rotation, or in this case we can see that I have a 45-degree angle. When you see that degree angle symbol, you can type in the angle that you want, and it will rotate that object around, in this case 90 degrees. Another way that we could have rotated was by selecting on the object, coming up to rotate, then changing the center of the rotation. To do this, after the rotate command has been executed, you will see that there's a little dot there in the center of your rotation. If you click and hold your mouse button down, you can then drag that rotation spot up to the endpoint of one of your break lines. Go straight down, click, then do a rotation. And now we can see that the center of that rotation has now been moved from the center of the break line to one of the endpoints of the break line. And this would have worked with multiple objects as well. Select multiple objects, use the rotate command, pick that center point of the rotation, drag it to where you need your rotation to take place at, let go, then spin your objects around until they're at the appropriate angle, in this case 90 degrees, click, then your object will be at the correct angle at the correct location. From here, we need to use the move command to put it in its final place. Move your cursor up. When you see what looks like the move symbol, click, and now drag this object down until it's lined up with the break line over on the left-hand side. Let go, then click out here in space to finish up the command.